Hello viewers, welcome to Spice Bites. I am back again with yet another spicy chicken recipe which is called the handi chicken. For handi chicken we need 500 grams of chicken. We will marinate it with 2 tablespoons of curd. This is the red chili powder, 2 spoons. 2 teaspoons red chili powder. Then this is the Kashmiri red chili powder for the color. Now we have to mix it up. On the other hand, we will grind 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1 big ginger, and then this is barista which is the fried onions. We will grind all these together. After making this into a paste, the ginger, garlic and the barista, then we will mix it up with the marinated chicken. We have to marinate this for at least 1 hour. Let's take a heavy bottomed kadai. We have to add around 4 tablespoons of oil. Then the whole spices. That is the cloves, cardamom, bay leaves, peppercorns, cinnamon, everything in the hot oil. At this moment we will also add little bit of sugar and turmeric powder. This I am adding it in the oil for a nice color. This gives a nice color to the gravy. Then add the chopped tomatoes. As we have added the onions, the fried onions in the marinated chicken, so we won't add any onions in the oil. I took 2 medium size onions for the barista. Now after sauteing tomato for some time, we will add the chicken. In a low flame, we will saute it. You can see the oil is coming out on the sides of the kadai. At this point, we are going to add green chilies. I have slit the green chilies from the middle. So you can add the slit green chilies. And I am also adding salt. Salt please add according to your taste. And the amount of chili powder also add it according to your taste. Now in this chicken I have only added red chili powder, turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chili powder. So on the other side we have to dry roast 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. We have to nicely dry roast it and then grind it into a mixture. We won't add any water in the chicken at this stage. You can see the lovely color and the oil which is coming out from the sides. Now we will add kasuri methi. This dish is called the handi chicken. It is usually prepared in the earthen pots, which is the clay pots. But now in this fast life, it is difficult to cook in the earthen pots because it takes lots of time and we have to cook in low heat. So the earthen pots is now changed into the metal vessels. Now it's time to add the roasted masala. The roasted masala should not be finely ground. It should be coarse, like this. Add 2 teaspoons of the coarsely grinded roasted masala and then again we will saute it for 5 minutes. At this point you can add little bit of water if you need gravy, or else this is ready to be served. We have to add little bit of garam masala and then it is ready to be served. I will add little bit of water as I need little bit of gravy. The chicken is perfectly cooked. It is soft. It is soft and see the color. The wonderful color is coming out and even the oil is coming out. So the dish is perfectly done. At this point I will add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I am not adding coriander leaves here because I have added kasuri methi. I want that flavor to be here and kasuri methi flavor should not get mixed up with the coriander leaves. So now it is perfectly done and ready to be plated. This dish goes well with parathas, rotis, naans and even with pulao.